At yan, Uno Insurance Advisory. Right? So, ito yung mga katanungan. So, like most, ang ating provider nakalagay dito si Liberty Insurance Company Incorporated. So, dati nag Malaya, nag-Manulife, nag-Stronghold. Ngayon, ang ating insurance provider ay si Liberty Insurance. Okay? Next is insurance policy. Right. So, dito, insurance policy, makikita nyo naman yung inyong, pwede nyo, pagkabago ka pa lang, makikita mo, i-edit mo yan. Okay? So, effectivity date, 2009. Okay? So, pwede nyong pagka nag-enter ka na, yan na yun. Okay, next. Back tayo. Ay, meron pala rito. Use sample pay insurance policy. Okay. So, nandito, no, kung gusto nyo malaman yung details about our insurance, kailangan nyo lang i-click yung nandito. View sample PA insurance policy. Okay? So, dadaling kayo dyan. Okay. So next,